guys, welcome back. As you saw, I just received a shipment of over 100 hats from my supplier in China, and normally what I would do at this time is I'd be packaging them to send over to Amazon. And so what I would do is I'd label them, and then I would put everything back in the box and ship them directly to Amazon's warehouse. However, I'm not gonna be able to do that. Right now is the worst time to be an Amazon seller, and if you're a beginner seller that's looking to enter the market on Amazon and to use their fulfillment by Amazon services, I highly advise you not. And this is why. So I wanted to begin my Amazon series this week. However, I just found out as of March 17th that Amazon is suspending their FBA program for all non-essential products. Now, this is in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, and for all intents and purposes, I think Amazon is doing the correct thing. However, for smaller businesses like myself, it's putting us in a tough situation. For those of you who don't know, Amazon's FBA program, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a program that allows merchants to send their product directly to Amazon's warehouses, and in return, Amazon will use their services to ship out your product based on the orders that they're receiving. And on top of that, they will also handle all customer service calls and returns. And in return, Amazon's going to charge you about 10 to 20% of your product's value that you're selling it for, and that allows them to recoup some of their costs for the shipping as well as their overall service that they're providing to you. But honestly, this service has tremendous value, and for the small fee that you do pay, you really maximize your value out of it. Now, with that being said, if you are selling one of these type of products, Amazon will still allow you to ship your product to their FBA centers, and you can still use their fulfillment services. The good news is that if you are looking to get started, I would wait until April 5th. And April 5th is the date that they claim as of right now that their operations will be back to normal, and for all non-essential products, you can begin shipping those back to Amazon and using their services. But I think it's gonna last longer.
The bottom line.
I am sure that Amazon is taking their corrective action seriously, as they should, and they are doing the right thing. However, this is actually hurting a lot of businesses that aren't selling those essential products. Some interesting facts about Amazon's FBA program is that over 94% of sellers on Amazon use FBA as a service, and 66% of those only use FBA, and that is currently how I used to sell my products. I know for myself and the other 66% of sellers on Amazon will likely have to transition to fulfilling our products by the merchant by ourselves. And this will be a transition. However, if it's only a couple weeks in time, I don't foresee a huge amount of loss coming from it. All right, guys, in the coming weeks, once Amazon is back to their normal operation, I want to release a couple videos on Amazon Seller Central, as well as give you guys some more insight as to how to sell on Amazon successfully. So please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and keep an eye out for those videos that will be released in a short time.